Are you tired of messy spreadsheets or clunky finance tools that just don't scale with your business? Today, we're comparing Datarails and QuickBooks, two powerful platforms but built for very different users. Let's start with QuickBooks. It's the go-to for small to medium-sized businesses. You get bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, and tax filing, all in one neat package. The interface is user-friendly and it integrates with hundreds of third-party apps. But when it comes to complex financial reporting or large datasets, QuickBooks starts to show its limits. That's where Datarails comes in. It's designed for finance teams, especially in larger organizations. It pulls data from multiple sources and lets you build automated reports inside Excel. No need to switch to a new interface. It's not a bookkeeping tool, it's a financial planning and analysis powerhouse. So, QuickBooks is best if you're looking for end-to-end accounting on a budget. Datarails is better if your team needs deeper insights, custom dashboards, and collaboration at scale. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.